everyone, myself Muskan Gupta. I'm a digital marketing expert and a trainer having 2.5 years of experience in my field. So I basically help those people, those students and those business owners who really wants to explore, who who really wants to grow their career, who really wants to grow their business online with the help of digital marketing skills. So I'm very happy to introduce myself as a digital marketing expert and a trainer in front of you all, because in my session I personally focused on practical based skills and practical based knowledge with all the students and set a real world example with all of you, where how I personally grow my business, how I help those business startups who really grow well with the help of digital marketing, and set some examples with them. And the main very important things, we work on live projects where the students get knowledge and deeper exploration of how they work with clients and how they handle the clients, focused on personality development and how the students, how the business owners deal with clients. We do practicing, and the main thing that is very important on communication skills, we work on communication skills. So I'm very excited to connect with you all with my journey and support you in your journey as well. And I'm very excited to teach you all about the digital marketing and new trends of digital marketing. So join my group, join my community group, where I update all the information about the courses and the webinars. So till then, bye bye, and don't forget to connect with me on my community channel. Till then, bye.